Hello guys. 2015 Dutch Journey. Show you guys how to do the oh guys, I forgot the name. The window switch. All right, this one is very easy. All you need a 5-part tool like this. You come right over here. Just gonna pry it on it. Pry it a little bit. It comes out. Then you got a plug back here. And I always make sure same part number, at least that it look like it and it matched. So I'm gonna plug it back here, right there. And you see that? It was broken. And then once you click, good. Put it back on. Make sure it clicks. Drop it. And that's it, guys. The battery is dead, so I cannot test to make sure the window goes up and down. But if yours runs, you open the switch, heat it from the master window switch. Make sure all the window works, and then you come to this individual one and go up and down just to make sure it works. Alright guys, if it helped you, you liked it, please go ahead and follow or subscribe. Thanks.